Living by faith, practical steps to strengthen your belief. Faith is the foundation of a fulfilled spiritual life. Strengthening your belief requires intentional actions and consistent effort. Here are practical steps to help you grow and live by faith. 1. Immerse yourself in the Word. Faith comes by hearing and understanding God's Word. Romans 10:17. Spend time daily reading the Bible, meditating on its promises, and applying its truths. Use devotionals or study guides to deepen your understanding. 2. Pray regularly. Prayer is a direct conversation with God. Commit to praying daily, sharing your fears, hopes, and praises. Ask God to strengthen your faith and guide your steps. 3. Act on your faith. Faith without works is dead. James 2:26. Take steps of obedience, even when you don't see the full picture. Trust God in small and big decisions, relying on His guidance. 4. Surround yourself with believers. Fellowship with people who share your faith strengthens your resolve. Join a faith-based community or church where you can grow together. Share testimonies and encourage each other in your spiritual journeys. 5. Practice gratitude. Reflect on what God has already done in your life. Keeping a gratitude journal helps you focus on His faithfulness. A thankful heart fosters deeper trust in God's plan. 6. Face challenges with faith. Trials are opportunities to grow in faith. James 1:2-3. Trust that God uses every situation for your good and His glory. Romans 8:28. Rely on God's strength rather than your own. 7. Learn from biblical examples. Study the lives of men and women of faith, such as Abraham, Joseph, and Paul. Understand how they trusted God amidst challenges and uncertainties. Draw inspiration from their stories to strengthen your walk. 8. Speak and declare faith. Speak life and positive affirmations rooted in God's Word. Declare God's promises over your life and situations. Faith grows stronger when you align your words with God's truth. 9. Guard your heart and mind. Avoid negative influences that weaken your belief. Focus on things that are true, noble, right, pure, lovely, and admirable. Philippians 4:2-8. Replace doubts with God's promises. 10. Be patient with the process. Faith is a journey, not an instant destination. Trust that God's timing is perfect. Celebrate small victories and keep moving forward even when progress seems slow. By living intentionally and following these steps, you can strengthen your belief and grow deeper in your faith journey. Trust that God is with you every step of the way.